Digital finance transformation is an approach to financial management that relies on the digital landscape and innovative technology. In this video, we'll see what is finance transformation and what are the principles to get success in digital finance transformation. Transformations are hard and digital ones are harder. Let's see what is finance transformation. Loosely defined, the term finance transformation is used to describe strategic initiatives aimed at improving finance within a company, which can involve a variety of tasks from shortening a budget cycle to implementing new accounting software to reducing overhead costs. However, the general goal of any transformation is the same: to align finance with the overall company strategy in order to become more efficient and provide better service to the internal customers. What are the biggest hurdles to successful finance transformation in 2021? The biggest mistake a company can make is having too broad of a goal by simply saying it wants a world-class finance team, which means the company will attempt to cut costs and increase services simultaneously. So few of the hurdles are only focusing on cost. Managing cost is indeed an important aspect of finance transformation, but it must be realistic. Companies tend to use an industry standard benchmark, often cost as a percent of revenue, as a target for their own team, which usually means significant blanket budget cuts. Next is seeking universal customer satisfaction. By trying to do too many things, a company can be detracted from focusing on areas that are most profitable for the company. Next is underestimating business complexity and added services. Rapidly changing markets, technology, and business ventures make it difficult to anticipate the analytical needs of a company. So it's important for companies to allow for some churn as they go through and learn new integrations, analyses, and processes. What is digital finance transformation? Digitization is now a realistic goal for the finance function because of the range of technological advances. It includes the widespread availability of business data, teams' ability to process large sets of data using now accessible algorithms, improvements in connectivity tools and platforms such as sensors and cloud computing. Here are 4 areas of technology which we believe show the most promise for use in finance. That is, automation and robotics to improve processes in finance, data visualization to give end users access to real-time financial information and improve organizational performance, advanced analytics for finance operations to accelerate decision support, and advanced analytics for overall business operations to uncover hidden growth opportunities. Now let's discuss 10 principles for successful digital finance transformation. So according to McKinsey, the 10 principles for digital finance transformation in 2021 are: the first step is defining value, which you can achieve by securing senior management commitment, set clear and ambitious targets, and secure investment. Next step is launch and acceleration. Start with lighthouse projects, appoint a high caliber launch team, organize to promote new and agile ways of working, and nurture a digital culture. And the last step is scaling up, which covers sequence initiatives for quick returns, build capabilities, and adopt a new operating model. What do you think? Is actual finance transformation activity as global as the discussion around it? According to just completed research from the Hackett Group, the answer is resounding yes. In a study of whether, why, and how finance organizations are reinventing themselves, found a whopping 88% are in the middle of a major transformation effort and 96% plan to launch one over the next 12 to 24 months. Thanks for watching right till the end. I hope you got some valuable information from this video, and if you really like this video, please give us a thumbs up. Please subscribe our channel Learn Transformation and press the bell icon right next to it to stay updated regarding our new videos on transformation. You can also visit our website where you can publish your articles, stories and blogs and raise your voice across world. You can also catch us on other social media handle. Till then, take care.